My husband, are you going with me to the farm?
Sit down.
Is everything all right?
I said sit down, woman.
What is wrong? You look really sad.
Ure, I have to say this. It might get you upset. But I've thought of it for a long time now. And I've come to a final conclusion.
Final conclusion? Wait, my husband. Are you trying to bring in another woman?
Let me finish, woman.
I'm sorry, my husband. I'm very sorry, but this is quite unlike you. Whenever you're like this, I sense bad news.
Oh, I'm now known as someone that brings bad news? So everything about me is bad?
I don't mean it that way, honestly. I'm sorry.
You can go to the farm.
I'm sorry.
I said go to the farm, woman.
When a man wakes up from the left side of the world, he becomes too upset. And when this happens, all you need to do is be soft with him and do everything on time.
But Ini, don't you think he's up to something bad?
Something bad? Ure, the Odinka I know, can never think of hurting you. Maybe he wants to confess something to you. Let me tell you. When he confesses anything to you, just smile and tell him you've forgiven him. Oh?
Thank you very much, Ini. I'll be on my way now. I need to go to the farm.
You're gonna go well, oh?
Hey.
What do you oh?
My wife does not deserve this. She loves me. But Ubene, she's beautiful. Very beautiful. She's a princess. Marrying her will change my life.
My husband.
What kept you so long in the farm?
I was clearing the other part of the farm. I'm so sorry. I know that you must be very hungry by now, but I'll quickly warm your food.
Hold on, sit down. We need to talk now at your back.
Talk? Honestly, my husband, my heart was beating hard, so hard when I was in the farm.
Why? Did you do anything wrong?
None that I can remember. Please, I want to plead with you. If this news you want to share with me will break my heart, please, keep it for another day. I beg of you. Please.
He didn't mention anything as to what you have done.
Nothing. I did absolutely nothing wrong to him. I make sure everything goes on well. I make his meal on time. I wash his clothes. I keep the hut clean as always. I don't know.
Don't you think he wants to have a taste of another mortar?
But we had visited a medicine man that told us that I will soon conceive. I don't know, but do you think he's doing this because of my childlessness?
Men can be unpredictable. My sister's husband did the same. Odinka, I think, wants to take another woman.
What do I do? Please tell me.
Are you scared of him taking another wife?
Not just taking another wife, but his attitude. Once he does that, he will change towards me. I'm very certain about that.
It's okay. You have to accept it. For your own good. Don't worry, everything is going to be fine.
Sure.
Right. I wish there's something I could do to help.
It's fine. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I will have to get going. He needs to make his meal.
Okay, let me see you.
Ure, it's time. Ure. Ure.
My husband, you're not sleeping.
Ure, listen. I know this is going to hurt you. But I also know that you're a strong woman. I want us to sever the bond binding us.
I don't understand. What are you saying?
I am tired of the marriage. I want us to go our separate ways in peace.
You want us to go our separate ways? But I have never offended you in any way, my husband. It's fine. You want to take a second wife? Go ahead and take a second wife. But please, please, and please, save me this shame and disgrace. Do not send me away.
It's not about taking a second wife. I am tired of the marriage. Tomorrow I am taking you back to your mother.
Oh, no, my husband, please. I will not survive this if you ever do this to me, please. Don't send me away. Take a second wife. You can even take the third if you want, but please, I want to be...
You will survive it. I've started surviving it already.
No, okay. Please. I still love you with all my heart. You can't do this to me. My husband. My husband, please, no. Please, I'm begging you. It's you, Mio. It's Ure. It's your Ure. Please don't do this to me. Do not chase me away. God will love me.
Asambeteni bolamo omaleja oga bunu bena rumu bena obi mu benu bene asambeteni bolamo omaleja ibanye komnobi kamanya siapanisi bikole kwamu welomu arapona welomu ibanye komnobi kamanya siapanisi bikole kwamu welomu arapona welomu
Uri, are you alright? Why are you crying?
My husband, your friend, has decided to send me back to my parents' house.
What? Odinka wants to send you back to your people. Why? Why would he do that?
I don't know.
It's alright. Let me go and drop this firewood and come and see him. Okay? Please stop crying.
Winner. What is the problem? Winner, what I fear most has happened.
Okay, come. Sit down. What is it? Calm down. Has he finally told you he wants another wife?
That would have been a good news. My husband told me that he doesn't want the marriage anymore.
What?
That
is so callous of him.
I'm finished.
Calm down now. Calm down. Okay, just come.
What do I do? I'm finished, Winnie. He said he doesn't want me anymore.
It's okay. Just calm down. You need to calm down. It's okay now. Calm down. You need to calm down.
Get hold of yourself.
My husband.
Get hold of yourself. Calm down.
Easy.
I know. Just calm down. Get hold of yourself.
Do you know what you're trying to do? What would you tell her people? That I am tired of your daughter for no good reason. My brother, rethink.
What is it? What are you saying? Do I look like a child to you? Or did you help in paying her dowry? Why must you come to my house to tell me what to do?
Odinka, what you're about to do is unfair.
You, go in and pack your things. Now.
Your father in the grave will bear me witness that I am not in support of this.
It's not your business.
I am not.
Where are you? Please, be fast. Huh? What's that? I hope you packed everything.
Yes, my husband.
Did you just call me husband? I don't want to hear that again from you, please. Anyway, I'll give you the privilege to call me that just for today. Okay? Let's go.
Let the spirits guiding this compound bear me witness. If I have by any chance done anything wrong to my husband, let me not live to enjoy the 2 seasons of the year. But if I have not, let the gods...
Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! What is it? That I'm tired of the marriage. Is it by force? Eh? Is that why you're laying curse on me? What is it? Yeah?
Be strong. For the gods are watching.
Please, you're wasting my time, please.
I just hope one day you will regret this.
Hey, watch your tongue. This is none of your business. Do you understand? Jidilen.
What is it? I hope all is well.
Yes, all is well on my side. I brought your daughter back. I am tired of the marriage.
What happened?
Nothing happened. I said I am tired of the marriage. Please tell your husband's brothers to keep the money I paid on her head. They should keep it ready, please.
Please calm down. Can we sit and talk about this?
There is nothing to talk about. Please, I am done with everything. Eh? If you want, you can give her to another man. If you want. But they should keep the money ready because I will definitely come back for it. Please.
Did you quarrel with him?
No, no.
What happened?
He woke up yesterday with a strange attitude. And it ended in this. I'm still in shock. I don't know what to do. I cannot lose my husband. So what do I do, please? I can't lose my husband, please. Begging for me.
What evil spirit has possessed him? What has come over him?
I don't know.
What is it? What is it? Why are you shouting my name? Do you want the spirits to hear my name?
I come with good news.
What's good news?
Hey! Yeah. This dance is for you. She's gone. I've sent my wife away. You can now come in and live with me as my wife. On I go.
It's okay. You can come and live with me.
It's not proper. Yes, it's not proper.
What is not proper?
Living with you.
What is not proper? Living with a princess here. What do you take me for? Or who do you take me for? A commoner?
No.
Listen, Odinka. You will have to come and live with me here. We will have beautiful children. And go back to my land, where you will be crowned a king.
Afwam. Okay, you're right. You're right. I'll go and start packing my things. I'm coming. Let me go right away. I'm coming. Very soon, I'll become a king. I'll be answering King Odinka, one of King Odinka, one of where will I answer? Of anywhere, I'll become the king very, very, very soon. What's it?
Eh? Odinka, you are dancing and I don't know, who are you talking to? I was actually going to your house.
I was just enjoying myself.
Eh?
And for your information, you better start calling me Igwe Odinka one of anywhere that comes to your mind. And please, don't come to my house to tell me about Ure, because Ure is a forgotten story. Do you understand? The king is talking to you. Do you understand?
Wait, Jere. Who are you talking to?
Nobody. Idiot. You're a spirit. You're not human being. You better call me King Onika one. Meanwhile, fan my back. Let's be going. Oko. Oko. What's that? What's that? Fan my back. Where are you? Oko.
What is wrong with my best friend?
You know I hate to see you like this.
Nay, I've loved Odinka so much. I have loved him like he's my chi. I have served him. I have done everything to make him happy. I have been a good wife. Why would he treat me like this? Why?
You've been lamenting all day. Just the way you are doing now. Ure, you don't have to kill yourself because Odinka has chosen to be stupid.
But I love him.
No.
I love him. I love him so much. I cannot live without him.
It's alright.
My heart is broken.
It's alright. It's alright. Uzugo. Uzugo. Don't worry, the gods will fix this. Be cool.
Aboma, I have never seen you in this mood. What's going on? What is the problem? Talk to me.
I am here with my heart full of sadness.
What's going on? Ogini, talk to me.
Odinka brought back my daughter to my house.
Uri?
Yes, without telling me what she has done to him.
Odinka?
Yes.
Brought Uri back?
Yes.
When? How?
He said he's tired of the marriage.
No.
That we should keep the bride price he paid on her head for him.
How could Odinka do a thing like that without consulting we, the king's men? Umunna, he didn't tell us anything about that.
Was it not a family decision?
Mbano, no. We don't know anything about it. Here, I have never seen Odinka behave like this. What could Uri have done to him to deserve this kind of treatment?
I don't know. I don't know. Please, my in-law, help me talk to him. Tell him my daughter is hurt. She's very, very devastated.
I will speak with him. Talk to my daughter, Uri. I will speak with him.
Please don't forget me too.
Odogu, I greet you.
Odogu, I greet you too. Yeah. Let me pat you on your back for a job well done. You have to clap for yourself. Oh. You deserve a garland on your neck. In fact, a special bead. You should wear it for a job well done.
So they've told you. If they like, let them take it to the king. That would not make me change my mind.
Odinka, how dare you? How dare you? Odinka, why would you take a decision like that without my consent? Everyone will think that I am part of your stupidity and wickedness. Odinka.
When a man is tired of a climbing rope, does he not dispose it? Does he? I am tired of Urem and I've taken her back to her mother. Yes. What is so stupid about it?
You must go back and bring her. She does not deserve this. Go and bring her back before it gets too late.
If you want her, go to her mother's house and take her as your wife.
Our family is not known for stupidity and wickedness. I don't know where you got this one from. Go and get your wife back before it gets too late. Listen to me. I will not let this happen. It has never happened to our family. Our family is not known for stupidity and wickedness. You will not start it. Odinka. Oh, very well.
Chalugo, Yokoko, Asampedeni Bolamo, Omalecha, Mimi Fobona, Kibulungemo, Asampedeni Bolamo, Omalecha.
Where are you going to with your bag?
You are such a fool. You see me going with my bags and you ask where I'm going to. Isn't it clear to you that I'm going back to my land?
You're going back to your land? You're going back to your land without me? We're meant to be together. Are you forgetting you're supposed to be my wife?
A weakling cannot be my husband. You are a total weakling. You cannot stand by me when danger comes.
I can stand and fight for you in every situation. I can fight seven-headed spirit for you.
Says a man who cannot fight for his wife. If you touch me again, I will cast the poison on your face and you will decay instantly.
Please, don't do this to me. Hey, what type of dream is this? I hope she's not trying to run away.
Kamanya siapa disi Bikone pamu welomu Anapona welomu Ibanya kamnobi Kamanya siapa disi Bikone pamu welomu Anapona welomu Ibanya kamnobi Kamanya siapa disi Bikone pamu welomu Anapona welomu
Maricha! Oh, Maricha! Oh, Malicham! Oh, Malicha! Oh, Malicha!
What is this?
I've brought my things. I've come to live with you. I am ready to go with you wherever you go.
Oh, please do not sound like a woman.
But you said I should come and live with you.
But I did not tell you to come today.
Okay, can I keep my things here and come back whenever you want me to come?
No. Go home. I will let you know when to come and live with me.
I was thinking we should start staying together so we'll start making babies. You understand?
Do you want to get me angry?
No, no, it's not.
And by the way, who will carry the pregnancy? Good. Now go home. Like I said earlier, I will let you know when to come and live with me.
No. Hey. Hi. My name is. It will never work for you people. It's like they've started casting spell on me. It will never work for them. Never.
Odinka. KBC, where are you coming from with your bag?
What kind of question is that? And how is it your business? That I'm carrying a bag? It's like you're one of those people that bad luck want to stop me from being the Igwe. Nonsense. Silly question.
Where is this idea of Igwe coming from? What is wrong with my friend? He was even talking to himself. Igwe of where? Are you a prince? Who's going to crown you? You're not doing things let alone. Huh? Let alone Igwe.
Odinka, my beloved husband. Come rain, come sunshine, I will continue to love you. But how? How? What happened? All of a sudden, you changed towards me. What happened? How did you forget everything in a hurry? How?
Who is this? Whoever you are, I am not in a good mood.
My love,
Ure,
what is the problem?
Ure, I'm tired of this life. Nze has been on my neck because of the money I borrowed from him. And he has reported me to the age grade. They are coming to take all my goods tomorrow.
How much are we talking about here?
3 heads of cowries.
3 heads of cowries. What in the God's name did you do with 3 heads of cowries?
I used it for my father's EBUBE ritual.
Huh.
I've been waiting for my harvest. It's not paying me.
Calm down. The gods will provide. Is that why you're feeling this terrible? Don't worry, my love. Come with me. Come. Come with me.
Odinka! Get there, Odinka! Come out and settle me. Odinka!
What is it? I'll greet you.
Keep your greetings and pay me my money.
I've asked you to give me a little time. I will pay you your money.
Little again. Little time again.
Yes.
Eh? Boys, go inside his house. Bring out all his goods and everything on his barn.
Wait. How much does he owe you?
Hey, Ure, keep out of this. If I were you, I would stay away from this poverty-possessed man. Oh, he will ruin your beauty. Don't you think you're too beautiful for this wretched man to marry?
Excuse me, Mazins, I take exceptions to that.
Madam.
Do not insult my man. I said, how much does he owe you?
Only 3 heads of cowries. Only Ibuli la nyam nyam.
Here. Can you leave my house now?
Let me know.
Your money is complete. You told me already. Please.
Oh, I told you already, you're wasting my time. Correct. No, I'm going to Ghana.
It's alright.
Thank you.
I'll do anything to make you happy. Anything.
Where did you get the money from?
I had to sell my jewelries and some of my expensive clothes.
You did? Ure, why do you love me this much?
That is because the gods brought you to me and I need to make you happy.
Ure. I swear by the gods, I will never leave you. May Ani punish me if I ever leave you.
Obin, you don't have to swear to prove your love to me. I know you love me. And I love you too. Don't worry.
Uri.
Dave.
Uri. Hiya. Why didn't you tell me when it all happened? Why?
Dave, I came to your hut, but you were not around.
Did you fight with Odinka?
Never. I have never fought my husband in my life before. Everyone in Awoke knows that I have never done anything to upset my husband. He just woke up one morning with a strong face. And then at night, he told me that he wants our marriage to be severed for no just cause, for no just cause.
It's okay. Something is wrong somewhere. Uri, you will come with me. I will go and speak with him.
But do you think it's a nice idea?
We have no option. If I talk to him, he doesn't listen to me, I will call my Umuna. They will speak with him. Packages.
I will not be angry. She will never make me angry. I will treat her like a princess until I get what I want. Soon, I'll become the king. Soon.
Odinka! Yeah, Odinka.
What is she doing here?
Odinka, I have brought Uri here. I want you to tell me before her what she has done. I want to hear everything. Everything.
Uri,
to me.
So you brought Deus Ozie to question me? You brought him to query me. Soon you bring the entire king's men to question me too.
No, my husband.
And I will do exactly what you have just said. If you don't tell me what she has done, talk to me. What has she done?
She did not do anything. I am tired of her. I am tired. Are you not tired of hearing this?
Listen, I will never allow you discard her like a piece of rag. As if she's not human.
In fact, Ure, please leave my house.
She's not going anywhere.
Leave my house.
She's not going anywhere.
She will leave my house.
She cannot go anywhere.
Dad, don't worry. I'll go.
Leave!
Are you out of your mind?
I know what I'm doing. I know what I am doing.
You don't. You don't. I can see you are out of your senses. Here. Oh.
This is why I am scared of getting married.
This seems to be like a dream to me. I just want to wake up from it. I just want to.
I had a dream. And in that dream, Odinka was crawling on his knees begging for your forgiveness.
You're still talking about dreams? Wina, I want him to be mine. I want to be his wife again.
I know. But I know somewhere, somehow, one woman is there confusing him. But don't worry. He will regret it. And I don't want you to cry. I don't want to see you cry. Please. Eh?
It's very difficult. But I'll try.
You have to. Please. Where is your mother?
She went to the market.
Okay. When she comes back, please send my regards. I have to go back home now.
I'll see you.
No. Don't worry. Just be fine. Okay?
Thank you so much.
It's okay.
Thank you for all the support and everything. May the gods bless you.
I don't want you to cry.
I don't want you to cry.
It's okay. It's okay.
chalugo yokoko asampedeni bolabo omalecha meme fobona kibulungemo asampedeni bolabo omalecha
Hey, my queen, you've woken up. You look sad. My queen, you're sad. What is it?
I do not look sad. I am sad. How can I have a man like you and still cannot be taken care of?
But my queen, I take care of you. I give you bushmeat and dry fish.
Will I survive only on bushmeat and catfish? Don't I need to buy new clothes and beads? Don't I need to buy new uhe for my skin?
But my queen, you never told me you needed all this.
Must I tell you before you know your responsibilities? I am a princess and I should be treated as one.
Hey, my queen, don't worry. I am going to buy new beads for you and I'll change your clothes. Okay? Huh?
I need a bag of beads.
What? Bag of guinea?
Yes, you heard me. A bag of beads. Don't tell me you're not capable of providing it.
Who said so? Capable. Very capable. I'll provide it. Is it not just one bag of beads? I'll provide it.
Tomorrow, you have to come with it here. If you fail to do so, I will leave and go find another man who knows my worth.
It will not happen. My queen, I am going to bring not only one but 2 bags of beads. Beautiful ones. Don't worry, I'll do it. Hey, I will put 2 bags. No, you can't go to another man. No. Hey.
Omalecha ibanye komnobi kamanya siabanisi bikone pam.
From where? Where do I get money to buy 2 bags of beads? What do I sell to raise money? Hey. Hey. I don't want to miss this opportunity of becoming a king. What do I do?
Odinka. Finally, I found you at home. What has been occupying you all this while? Talk to me. I am your friend. Your good friend. Are you seeing another woman?
Where's it? My problem now is how to get money to buy one bag of bead.
What? One bag of bead? Bead? Odinka, are you getting married to a princess?
That is the issue. If I don't do this from now till sunset tomorrow, I will never be a happy man again.
Odinka, what is going on?
What is it? I need you to lend me some money. That is what is going on.
I don't have any money to lend to anybody.
What is it? Please. I'm begging you, in the name of the gods. I know you have this money. Please help me. I'll pay you when I sell my yam seedlings. Please.
The money I have right now is the money I want to use for my father's cow ritual. And for my marriage. I don't have any money again.
When is it you've not found a wife yet? When you find one, by then I must have sold my yam seedlings and I'll pay you back. Please.
I do not want to hear stories though.
Where's it? The last time you borrowed me money, I paid you before the agreed date.
Yes, you paid, but this one is bigger. This one is bigger.
I'm kneeling down begging you, please. Please. You're my friend now. Please.
It's okay, get up. Come later in the day and collect the money.
No, Mweze, please, let me follow you now to the house, please. Yes.
I said later in the day. By the way, I am here to ask you a few questions.
Mweze, leave that question for tomorrow, please.
My king. Please don't tell my princess she will kill me.
Your secrets is safe with me. Talk.
My king, Ona went to a medicine man to make your child blind so he can send your wife away.
Are you telling me the truth?
Yes, Your Highness.
Go and send for my sister.
Yes, Your Highness.
Why am I here?
Oh no. Tell me the truth. Did you lie against my wife?
I don't know what you're talking about.
I do not want to get angry. Did you lie against my wife?
Are you going to transfer her anger on me?
I will strangle you, kill you with my bare hands if you don't answer me. Did you?
Obidum, What has come over you?
Answer the question before you. Did you?
She was too proud of her beauty.
So you plotted all this?
See, Obidum, you can take another wife.
Did you make my child blind with a charm? Did you make my child blind with a charm?
I am so sorry.
Honor, I will never forgive this. Get out of my sight.
No, please.
Get out of my sight! Oh. I've been deceived. My poor innocent wife. Benny, my love, I'm sorry. Benny, my wife. This is so painful. No!
Your Highness, this is abominable. How could honor put us in such a problem? Huh?
Bono, what do? We have to do something to appease the gods.
First, we have to send honor into exile. Then, secondly, you will have to make a cleansing sacrifice to the goddess of Ani.
Ah. Then tell Ezewine that I want to see her.
That's okay. I will do that. Honor. She's just a replica of her mother. That's why her mother died untimely. But come to think of it, how could she have deceived all of us? Is that why she kept coming to me complaining of Ubene? She has to be punished. Yes, she has to be punished. Oma, for bringing shame and curse to us, you are therefore sent on an exile for 7 years.
Oh, please. Please.
Keep quiet and leave.
No.
My queen. My queen. Are you in? My queen. My queen.
What is that?
I brought the bag of dates.
But you said you would get me 2 bags. So why did you come with a bag?
No, you the one that said you wanted a bag.
But you promised 2 bags. I want 2 bags.
What is it? I thank the gods for meeting you here. I went to your house, I found no one.
What is the problem? You sound like all is not well.
Yes, all is not well. Mweze, please, I need you to lend me some money, please. Please.
Are you out of your mind?
No.
Just yesterday I gave you some money.
Please, I need this money, please. Oh, all right, can you buy my land?
Odinka. Now I know you under a spell.
Odinka, who is doing this to you? Nobody is doing anything to me. I am building a better tomorrow for myself. Okay, Mweze, see, I am very close to royalty. And I need this help. Because
I am not interested in buying any land. Go and look for someone else to buy it.
What is What is it? No. Oh, I greet you. I was even going to your house.
To my house?
Yeah.
I'm going to Amana for important meeting.
Please, let me go straight to the point. I want to sell that my land at Eba. Yes.
Let's talk about it tomorrow now.
No, I have very important things to sort out with money.
But you know, there's no way I can talk about buying land without having 1 or 2 people as witnesses.
Don't bother yourself. Just give me 3 heads of cows and you'll be fine.
3 heads of cows?
Yes.
For that land?
Yeah.
Let's go to my house.
Yeah.
Where would I go? Hey. Daba. Oh. 3 heads.
My queen, you're not talking to me. Is everything all right? You're crying. My queen, please talk to me. What is the matter?
I want to be left alone.
Okay, I brought the bag of beads. I bought the best from Onimo.
Keep it aside.
Okay. My queen. Do you want any other thing? Eh? Is there anything you want?
I'm fine. You can go.
Eh? Do you want me to do anything for you?
Please just go. Please. I still love you. I still love you.
No. I cannot go back without my wife.
Asampeteni bolamo omalecha. Asampeteni bolamo omalecha.
Something is wrong with her. I hope she's not up to something. I think I should go back and ask her when I'm going to pack in with her.
I cannot go home with this guilt in my heart. Please forgive me and set me free.
Hello. Hey, Queen. What is going on here? Who is this crying man on crown? Eh?
Leave us, Odinka.
What?
She said leave us and get up now.
Or she gonna...
Get out now!
My queen.
I have told you to go and mourn our child. When you return, I may forgive you. If you say one more word again, I will not forgive you.
Jalugo, Yoko Coco, Asampeteni Bolamo, Omalecha, Meme Fobona, Kibulungemo, Asampeteni Bolamo, Omalecha, Ogabunu, when I rumu, when Obimu, when Asampeteni Bolamo, Omalecha, Ibanya come nobi, Kamanya Siapanisi. Welum, Arapona, welum, ibanya come no welumu, anapona welumu, welumu. Ibanye kamnobi, kamanya siabanisi. Ikone pamu, welumu, anapona welumu, welumu. Ibanye kamnobi, kamanya siabanisi. Ikone pamu, welumu, anapona welumu, welumu.
I do not want to see you in that house again.
And who are you to talk to me like that in my land?
One more word from you, I will order my guards to beat you up. Out of my sight! Get up!
She trying to bring another man into the scene just to scare me? Who could that man be? A prince? I have to act very fast. Very fast.
I am going to ask you for the last time. Who is the father of that blind child?
You don't trust me. Why would I sleep with another man when my husband is well and able?
Having a blind child means you've committed an abomination. The flirt in you makes me blind to see your beauty. From today, you cease to be my wife. Guards!
I am innocent. I am innocent.
Ubene, for committing adultery in the loyal household, we send you into exile. And nothing will bind you with us until after 7 years. Then we will know what to do with you.
Indeed, the gods have never been asleep. They have never been asleep.
My queen. My queen, what is going on? Eh? Are you trying to put another man to taste? Please don't make me jealous. I promise I will do anything to make you happy.
I have told you that I want to be left alone. Do you want to get me upset?
No, why must I get you upset? No.
Then go home. Just go home and let me be, please.
My queen, I should go.
Go home. Now!
Okay. I'll go home. I hope I will not lose it all. Ubene, I do not want to lose you. Don't be scared. My queen, I cannot sleep. I cannot sleep.
You do not come into my hut without knocking.
I'm so sorry. I do not know what I am doing anymore. I feel I am losing you. Hmm?
Are we on any kind of oath?
I have provided all you asked of me. I even sold my father's land to make sure I buy 2 bags of beads for you. Yes.
What a wise man you are. Please, go home. I want to sleep.
Please, can I sleep on the floor?
You cannot sleep on the floor. Go home. Get out.
Hey, why are you doing this to me? If you do this to me, I will kill myself. Oh. I will kill myself for you.
Now I know you are a coward. If you do not leave here this minute, I will shout.
Can I come back tomorrow?
If you like.
Tomorrow I am going to get big envelope for you. Envelope breast.
I have warned you to go home. I will shout and tell the whole village that you want it.
My Lolo, I declared one day morning for our son. I thought it wise you there. My queen, let us go home. After his burial, we'll talk about your father. Please, my queen.
Ubena chalugo iyokokoko Asampedeni bolamo Omaleja Meme fobona kibulungemo Asampedeni bolamo Omaleja Oga bunu bena rumu bena obimu benu bene Asampedeni bolamo Omaleja Ibanye komnobi Kamanya siapanisi Bikone pam Welomu Anapona welomu Welomu Ibanye komnobi Kamanya siapanisi Bikone pam Welomu Anapona welomu Welomu Ibanye komnobi Kamanya siapanisi Bikone pam Welomu Anapona welomu Welomu
It's like you put Odinka behind you.
Yeah. I just want to be happy.
Who gave you this?
Someone gave it to me.
Who could that be that gave this to you? Is it what I'm thinking? Listen. It is too early to give your heart to another man.
I just want to be happy. I cannot keep swimming in the river of my own tears all night.
I know.
I deserve to be happy.
I know. I understand. But what is right is right. Did you hear me? We must always do the right thing. Right?
Yes, I know.
My queen! My queen! Come, I have something for you. My queen. I brought something for you.
What is this?
This is the breast of an antelope. Alene.
Wonderful ngugu.
Izigbo alene kalaka. Izigbo alene. Oke ngugu.
Young man, have I not warned you never to come to this place?
I'm not here to see you. My guards! Please! Guards! What is this?
You want to intimidate me in my land? Teach him what we do to useless men.
Odinka!
Odinka, what is after you? What is after you, Odinka?
My head, oh! My head, oh! My head, oh! Hey! My head! Hey! My head! My head, oh! Hey! Hey! My head! Hey! 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 No! Hey! Hey!
Odinka, what happened to your head?
I'm about to die. Oh.
You have not said anything. What is about to die?
This world is too good and too terrible.
Listen, did you fight with anybody? Did you?
Now what is happening here?
He has not told me.
Where's it?
Yes.
Your love asked me to tell you that she's waiting for you in your house.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Where are you going to?
I'm going to get snuff for my father.
Yes. Okay. Odinka, since you don't want to tell me what is wrong with you, I'm going to my house. If you're ready, come and talk to me at home, eh?
You want to see me off?
Let's go.
What is that? How could you take a decision like that? How could you take a decision without my consent? That land belongs to the family. It's our family land. How could you take a decision?
Is that why you are calling me now? Is that why you stopped me?
Is that not enough? Oh, do you expect me to call Muna meeting, our family meeting, before you understand that what you have done is wrong?
Who's here? Who's here? How many times did I call you now? I cannot stand here and watch you insult me. Enough of that nonsense.
Odinka.
Don't call me back.
Nzago.
Don't call me again.
Nzago.
Okay, come back.
Come out here. Come out!
Are you trailing me?
No.
When you talk to me, you bow your head. I am a king.
No, Your Highness. I'm not trailing you.
Good. Help us with this bag.
Sorry.
You can go back now.
Eh? Thank you, Your Highness. Thank you.
Wait. Do you think he's not serious?
Honestly.
It is.
This is funny.
No, but it's more than funny. But it's good to be wise.
Honestly.
At the end of the day, the tortoise outwitted the goats.
But wait, let me ask. Why must the tortoise always outwit the other animals? Why?
Wisdom. Yes, it is.
Where's it? Hey. You need to wake me up from this dream. You need to wake me up.
Odinka, what is it? You have been behaving like someone whose head is in the evil forest. What is your problem? Calm down and talk to me.
I want to die.
In
fact, I am dead. I'm dead.
And you're still talking?
My land is gone. My wife is gone. My beads are gone. Everything. I have nothing.
What is beads? Woman, land. I don't understand you.
I have lost everything.
My love. I will be on my way now. I'll come back later in the evening and spend the night with you.
All right, my wife.
See you.
Take care. What is it?
What's it?
My wife.
Did I just hear you call her? Your wife?
My wife. Is anything wrong with it?
Hey. What's it?
Yes. See, you've been busy chasing what I don't know. Ure and I are getting married on Ekede.
No!
What is no?
Hey, no!
She has accepted to marry me. What is it? Please, allow me to do something.
Hey.
You don't miss your water till your well runs dry. You don't know what you have till you don't miss your water till your well runs dry. You don't know what you have
You're not saying anything. Listen. I have a meeting to attend to.
I am ashamed of myself.
I know you are ashamed of yourself. Indeed, you are ashamed of yourself. Odinka, why are you here? Talk to me. I don't have the whole time in the whole world to waste in silence. I have a meeting to attend to.
I want to start by apologizing. I have failed you. I apologize.
Hit the nail on the head.
I want you to help me and talk to my wife. I want her back.
Wife? Wife? Did you get another wife? Because the last time I checked, you never had a wife.
Please. I want her back.
Yeah. Odinka, if you know the way you sent your wife away, go and bring her back.
Please. You have to do anything in your power to help me. Please, talk to her for me. I heard she's getting married to Nweze on Eke Day. Dear, please, I beg you. Oh?
I have meeting to attend to. Excuse me.
Hey,
You see, let me tell you one thing. I don't know where you got this stupidity from. Your father was not stupid. Odinka, go and get your wife the way you sent her away. Excuse me, I have a meeting to attend to.
They, please. They, please. Please do this for me. Please, Dad, I beg you. They.
You don't miss your water till your well runs dry. You don't know what you have till it's gone. Baji kuti, fair. Baji kuti, one maybe fair. You don't miss your water till your well runs dry. You don't know what you have till it's gone.
They do say greetings.
Where is it?
They.
Wakata. I greet you. You are a man. In fact, can I tell you one thing? You made the right choice. The gods of our land will bless your union with Ure.
You say...
Don't worry,
They do say, go well.
Oh, it's well, my dear. Thank you. Thank you.
So you're doing this to me? You want to take my wife away from me?
Enya Mechon, well, shut up. Who is your wife? Ure is not your wife.
She's my wife. And I've not collected the dowry I paid on her head. Yes.
Look at how you're fooling yourself. The mother has returned the bride price to the council of elders. You're here making noise. That reminds me. Please, tomorrow morning I'm coming to your house. You give me back that money you borrowed from me. I want to use it to prepare for my marriage. Ure is getting ready for me.
You're a very wicked man. The gods must punish you.
Look, the God will punish you. Me, from my own money. Odinka. I want my money. I have come to collect my money.
I don't have any money to give to you now.
Odinka. If I come back here tomorrow and you don't give me my money, I will take all your goats. All of them, I will take them. Don't say I didn't tell you. Fine. Let me wait. I will take you to.
What have I done to myself? Winnie.
What does the wise man want from me?
Winnie, please. I need you to help me. It breaks my heart seeing my wife with another man. My best friend for that matter.
And what do you want me to do about that?
Please, help me talk to her. Tell her I'm sorry.
Why don't you go talk to her yourself?
I mean, I cannot face her.
I'll try.
Yeah. Hey. Thank you.
You can go now.
Yeah. I should start going.
You can go.
Okay. Yeah. Is that Ogi?
I will try.
No, I mean Ogi. Is that Ogi?
Oh, Egusi.
You want me to help you?
Don't worry. I'll try. I'll talk to her.
I'm going.
I'll talk to her now.
This is beautiful, Winnie. I love it.
And that is why I brought it to you, because I knew you're going to like it.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. I almost forgot. Odinka came to our house and asked me to beg you to forgive him.
When he was begging you, was he crying?
He was almost crying.
My dear friend, please, I need more bits. I need to look extremely stunning on that day.
I trust you.
When I step out to meet my beloved husband Wednesday, I need to look very beautiful.
Oh my.
So I need beads.
Oh, I know.
And guess what?
What?
I will walk majestically to him. Whilst I walk like this.
Adam, oh mama, Sarah. Hey, why Mara? It's okay.
Oh, Messia.
You're very beautiful, my dear.
Thank you, my friend.
Let me start going.
Let me see you off. My dear, please let me keep my beautiful clothes inside before someone steals it.
Please do that, my dear.
Let me see you off.
Come and see me off, my dear. Mama.
I don't want you to have pity on him when you see him. He deserves what he's seeing.
You're right. I'll do as you've directed.
No.
You came back early today?
Yes. Because I sold everything. See what I bought.
Oh, that was because I touched your goods before you left.
Right.
I have to start going.
Ready? You should be long.
Yes.
Go away.
Take care. I'm happy you sold everything today.
And I bought these big tubers of yam for us.
I'll make you jealous.
You don't miss your water till your well runs dry. You don't know what you have till it's gone.
I will, Mama.
What is he doing here?
Yeah, I don't know.
My wife.
Which wife?
Please forgive me. My wife, please. Please help me to beg her. My heart is full of guilt. My face full of shame. Please.
You've not heard? Okay, in case you have not heard, let me tell you. She's going to get married to another man in the next Eke market day.
Right.
And we have returned the bride price we paid on her head.
Your
people do not tell you.
Please, I'm begging you. Please forgive me. Please.
Hooray! Please meet me at the back. Oh, one.
Yes, Nene.
Please.
Don't.
You don't miss your water till your well runs dry. You don't know what you have till it's gone.
What is it? What is it?
You don't miss your water till your well runs dry. You don't know
Mweze, Mweze. Please.
Have you brought fights to my doorstep?
Mweze, I cannot fight you. Please do not do this to me. Please, I beg you. You know how much I love my wife.
I do not know, tell me.
Mweze, I cannot do this to you. Okay, I will sell my father's land to repay you. But please, do not continue with this marriage on Ekede. Please.
Nothing will stop me from getting married to Ore on Ekede. The only thing that will stop me from getting married to Ore on Ekede is death.
Mweze, you did not say this.
Are you deaf? Please, go and get me my money.
Where's it? There. I have accepted that I was so stupid. Very, very stupid. But I'm ready to make amends.
What do you want me to do? Go and tell Uri not to marry Mweze? Mbano, I can't do that. Listen. Take my advice. Go and look for another woman and marry.
Dey, I'm going to kill myself. Oh.
You kill yourself, they will throw your dead body into the evil forest. So it's just like that. You go kill yourself.
Dey, please. I know this is the only time I've made a big mistake. And the only time I've offended you and disobeyed you. Please, help me bring back my wife. Biko.
Odinka.
Yeah.
Odinka.
Nam.
I want to ask you a question. When did all this madness start?
They lost. Lost. Lost.
Are you ready to leave?
Yes, my love.
And you didn't bother telling your wife to wish you a good luck today?
I'm already late. I'll take the good luck next time.
Greetings.
Greetings, beautiful one.
Is this Eleke land?
No. Eleke is this way.
Thank you.
She's so beautiful. She must be a goddess. If she's not a goddess, she must be a daughter of a goddess. Odinka, you're a fool. Why did you talk to her? Odinka, you're a man. I can show you the way to Eleke. It's not too far from my kindred.
Thank you. How far is it from here?
It's not far. It's very close to the village square. I can take you there.
Okay. All right. Let's go.
But you've not told me where you're coming from.
Where I come from? does not matter. What matters is where I'm going to.
Okay, where are you going to?
Do you care to know?
Yes, I care to know because I can't imagine a beautiful maiden like you walking on this road alone. It's not good. I know you must have been coming from a long journey.
Yes. I am looking for a woman I have never seen before.
What is her name?
Don't worry. My mother told me that her house is after the house of Dikeh by the palm wine tapper.
Oh, I know only one Mori in this clan that sells snuff.
Yes! Yes! She's my mother's sister.
She is or she was?
She is. Why do you sound so unsure? She's not going to welcome me.
Are you sure you know who you're looking for?
I am not a child. I know who I'm looking for. Don't worry. My mother's sister.
Only that I know is you.
Lead me to her house.
Okay, let me help you with your bag.
It's not heavy.
I can't allow you to carry it.
Take a little rest.
Her house is not far from here.
I cannot continue again.
Okay. You can take your time and rest.
I have been going from clan to clan, looking for a good man that would fill the space in my heart. This is the third clan. And I'm yet to find that man.
Beautiful one, I don't understand you. Have you come to this land to look for a man or to see your mother's sister?
I am here for both. To see Danwore and to find a good man. I will return to my clan with the man. Share my father's wealth with him. And if possible, make him the next king, so that my father's throne will not be taken by our enemy.
You princess then?
Yes, I am. The princess of Eluani.
Then, I could be the man you're looking for. Take me with you and make me your king.
You have to prove that you're worthy of being my man first.
I am worthy. I'm a good man. But wait, I've not heard of those places you're calling. I've not been there before.
There is always a first time. Eluani is after Ebele. Ebele is after Amiyi. And Amiyi is close to Ezokoro Stream.
I have never been to those villages before. But please don't go. I am here. I will take care of you. Yes.
Let's go.
This is the house of Nwori. She died a few months ago.
That Nwori is dead? Yes. How? What happened? How did it happen? Why didn't you tell me?
I was about telling you. She was bitten by a snake right inside her hut.
I never set my eyes on her.
I advise you stay back and meet one or two of her relatives so you can spend the night with them and go back tomorrow.
No. I will stay here and mourn her. She sent words to me when she was sick to come and see her, but I was busy learning Atilogo dance for our Itobo festival.
I'm sorry about her death. I have to go and check my trap. Let me go before someone takes my catch.
Thank you. Please, will you come back and see me?
Yes. I will come back and keep you company.
Thank you. This is not happening.
What a beauty. What a beauty. She's so beautiful. I've never seen a woman as beautiful as she is in my entire life. If I was not married, this is the kind of woman I would like to take as my wife. Hey, I forgot to ask her name. Odinka is okay. So stupid. Yeah, so ask her name now. No, I have to go back and do that. I have to. Hey, what kind of bad luck is this? Oh, hi, you. Ay, bamba, hey, fiagua. Odinka. Odinka, good I met you here. I was going to your house.
Say sorry first. Can't you see I'm in pains? Can't you see? I'm going to tell you one nonsense.
Sorry. But this one is more important.
Seriously?
I was going to your house with a terrible news.
How terrible was the news?
Very terrible. I saw you in my dream last night. I saw you in the forest. I saw you wandering, looking tattered, dirty, hopeless. In fact, at a point, you were crying for serious help. No, serious help. You were crying and shouting.
Okay. When will you ever have a good news for me? Eh? Last week you saw me being flogged terribly by a masquerade. Last month, you saw me again being drowned in a river. Eh? When will you ever dream good dream for me?
You and I know very well they reviewed things to me in my dreams. I can't frame dreams up.
What is it? Go home. Just go and continue with your dreams. Eh? Please don't spoil this beautiful mood of mine, because I'm in a very good mood before this thing happened. Eh? Please. Just go home and continue.
Thank the gods you said before this happened. Do you know
continue
this thing that happened? Odinka.
You dare be dreaming.
What is wrong with my friend? Huh? What is wrong with him?
Amanacha, are you in?
You came back?
Yes.
Have you checked your trap?
No, I came to ask what your name is.
Is that why you came back?
Yes, I want to have it in my mind all day.
My name is Ubene. They say I'm the most beautiful woman in my land. But I do not know about that. Do you think I'm beautiful?
Indeed. Indeed, you're beautiful. You're beautiful, Omalicha. You're beautiful. Hey. Hey. Hey.
You do not look at a woman that way.
I am sorry. I cannot help it. You're the most beautiful woman I've ever seen in my whole life. Hey. Oh. Hey.
Go and check your trap.
Oh, Maga. I'll go. Hey. Hey. Maja, you did not ask me my name. Yes.
You've already told me that.
No, I did not. My name is Odinka. Odinka. Ubene. Just in a little time, the thought of you clouded this my little head. Just in a little time, the thought of you makes me want to scream your name so loud. Ubene. Ube. Ube.
Odinka, why are you laughing along the road like someone who has eaten uncooked cocoyam?
For the first time in a long time, my heart drops for what it likes. I will see till the end of this. I will certainly make sure it kills me, or I die within it. Oh my God.
What is wrong with Odinka?
Omalija. I brought you a bundle of firewood.
You brought me a bundle of firewood.
Yes.
What would I cook the firewood with? My head?
Hey, you should have told me you needed the tuber of yam.
Do I need to remind you that I need to eat? Did you not say you can take care of me?
Yes, hey, please don't be angry. I am going to get you 2 tubers of yam now. You joke, kalaka. You saw in a mano. Hey, I'm coming, please.
Chalugo, Yokoko, Asampeteni Bolamo, Omalecha, Mimi Fobona, Kibulungemo, Asampeteni Bolamo, Omalecha, Ogabunu, Bena, Rumu, Beno, Pimu, Benu, Bene, Asampeteni Bolamo, Omalecha.
What is the problem?
A problem how? Where?
Where are you taking our last tubers of yam to?
I bought them. So whatever I want, I will do with the yam.
Obi.
Omalija. I brought the yam. 2 tubers of yam. Very sweet.
You brought me 2 tubers of yam.
Yes.
Am I supposed to cook the yams without meat?
Hey, Omalija, okay, I'll go and bring fish for you. I have only fish. Eh?
Take the yams to the back of the hut and peel them. Come. First things first.
Okay.
Tidy the space.
It's small work now. It's Come over here. I finished cooking. Should I bring it here?
Did you just wake me up for that?
Yeah?
I did not tell you that I'm hungry. Please, go home.
No, Mama, don't worry, I cannot go home. I will wait till you're hungry, then I will serve you with the food.
You see, you're not even worthy of becoming my dream man. Biko, go home.
I think you should go home.
Kamanya siapanisi bikone kwam welomu anapona welomu ibanye komnobi kamanya siapanisi bikone kwam welomu anapona welomu.
My lord, what happened today? You left with the 2 tubers of yam we had in this house.
I gave them to someone who needed them.
So what do we eat tonight?
Just share the year. Boil cocoyam and eat.
Obim, is there something you need to tell me? You behaved totally unlike you. You did not even care about me. You did not even care to know if I needed those tubers of yam.
I've told you to go and boil cocoyam and eat.
But you know I do not eat cocoyam.
Do you want to eat me? Eh? No, you want to eat me? If eating me will make you happy, Ngwa, eat me. Ngwa, what? No, go ahead and eat me now.
Don't be angry, please. I do not recall telling you to come this early to raise dust here.
Mocha, I am doing all this that I'm doing to tell you how much I love you. Yes.
You are married?
Yes, but...
How beautiful is your wife?
She's nowhere close to your beauty.
Would you send her away if I agreed to marry you?
Yes. If you want me to do that right away, I will go back now and send her back to her mother's house. I can do that. Yes.
I do not need to tell you that. Prove your love.
How do I do this to my wife, Ure? Huh? Okay, all right. Ure, look. Okay, Ure, see, I have decided to end this. No. Ure, see, You have to understand that I'm a man and I have to take certain decisions regarding my marriage and my life. Huh?
I still do not understand your question.
Mweze, can someone become a king in another man's land if he marries the princess of that land?
The question is still funny to me. Who is getting married to a princess?
Mweze, is it possible? Tell me, I want to know. I really want to know. Do you have any idea?
I've not heard of such before. I've not. But you still have not answered my question. Who or are you getting married to a princess?
No, don't worry. I'll ask Deozozie.
When you asked me that question, what did I tell you? I said it is very, very impossible. How could you? A Odinka. Why therefore you allow a woman to manipulate you, make you a subject of ridicule and stupidity. You.
What I am saying is that I need my wife back. Please help me bring her back. Oh?
Even if I'm going to help you, you have to bring back that land you sold without my consent. Oh yes. Bring that land back. Now we'll see where we'll start from there.
You don't miss your water till your well runs dry. You don't know what you have till it's gone. Baji kuji, fair. Baji kuji, one maybe fair. You don't miss your water till your well.
Don't do this to me, please. Oh? Please forgive me. I need you back in my life.
Enough! Listen, if you dare come close to me, I swear by the gods of this land, I shall slice your throat with this knife. Foolish man. Don't!
Hey!
Don't!
Ure, I'm kneeling down for you. Ure.
I will not warn you again. I will not.
I'm sorry now.
I warned you not to follow me.
I know.
Why are you pestering my life? Let me be.
Please don't do this to me, please. I'm begging you. Go. Ure.
Do not come close to me. I meant it when I said I was going to slice your throat. Do not come any inch close to me. I mean it.
I am begging you, please. You're just everything that I have. You can't...
You must be out of your mind. Who is the goat bleating here?
My in-law, I am the goat bleating here. Please help me beg my wife, please. I can even behave like the goat. Please, don't do this to me.
I am glad you realized you are a goat. Now go to the bush and eat some grasses. Yes, you heard me.
No, remember how I used to cultivate your farm? And tomorrow I promise I'm going to go to Iba and till that your land there.
Odinka, leave my house.
Odinka, leave my house!
My in-law,
Ogo. Ogo Buchonye.
My Ogo. The only beautiful woman on earth. Hey! What is happening here?
It is this stupid man called Odinka. He has been disturbing me and your beautiful wife. Okay, enough.
My in-law, you are too pretty to be discussing or exchanging words with a stupid man. Please, where is the most beautiful wife?
She's here. She's here. You can
My
join
woman.
her. You can join her here. Yes.
Obium. Please, let me send this as a warning.
Okay. Oh.
I want to have a good time with my wife. I don't want any disturbance. I don't want any nincompoop to disturb us.
Trust me, I'll make sure nobody disturbs you.
My queen. Obium, I'm trying to how are you? What?
Are you going to allow him to take my wife? Oh, my Lord, stop this, stop this. Mama, somebody just took my wife home.
Agam!
Why, Mama? Ogo behind, go over the Ogo. Eh? Hey!
Odinka, you are here while your wife is about getting married to Weze. In fact, she's even about giving the cup of palm wine. You are here.
Where's it? Hey, where's it? No! Hey, where's it? Where's it? Hey, where's it? Where's it? Where's it?
Odinka. Did you bring my money with you?
Was I going to take my wife as your own? Are you going to allow this mud of shame to cover my face? Are you?
Odinka, I just asked you a very simple question. Did you bring my money with you? Alright, this. I want you to forget about Uri and forget about my money.
Weze, you cannot do this to me. Weze, you can take my father's land. But please, I beg you in the name of the gods, leave Uri for me. Please.
Uri is worth more than your father's compound. If you want my plot of land, I can give you one. But please, forget about Uri.
Weze, I am your friend, though.
We are no longer friends.
What is he saying?
Yes,
I have good news for you.
Has Uri forgiven me?
Now, these two gifts, they brought it, these two parcels. You see this one? That is the dowry you paid on Uri's head. Igwe called me. He asked me that I should give this dowry back to you.
Right. You should have told them I still want to marry Uri.
I'm not done talking yet. No, calm down.
Okay.
If you go, this one, contains hot pepper. You will use it to massage that manhood that made you disappoint everybody in this family. Use it to massage it. This is what this one contains. Nonsense.
They see, I know I've erred, but all I need now is forgiveness. Please help me beg Guru and the mother to forgive me. Please. Oh?
Odinka. Odinka. You're a stupid man. Odinka, do you remember what you told me when I came begging you to forgive your wife? Can you remember? Hey, you told me that Uri was an old climbing rope that should be discarded off. Oh, you still want that old climbing rope?
Yes. Yes, there. I need that old climbing rope. I want it. Oh, because I want it. There.
Listen, you brought this upon yourself. You go and fix it.
Eh?
I'm out of here. Go and fix it.
Ure Beacon, please forgive me. I beg you in the name of the gods. Please, I was deceived by the shrewd woman. Beacon, wow. Oh?
You have been forgiven.
Eh?
Can I go now?
Hey, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Can we go home?
Home? What home do you speak of? I don't understand. I'm sure you must have heard that I'll be going to my new home on Ekede.
Hey.
You ought to be congratulating me, not telling me to go with you to your home. Please, I was busy inside before you came. Excuse me.
Ure. Beacon, please forgive me. Oh, please, I beg you in the name of the gods. I know I've offended you. I wronged you. But it will never happen again. Ure, you know I love you. You know.
Love?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, Odinka. I do not love you again. Excuse me.
You. Love one another never know. Still love me again.
Stupid man.
Hey. What's the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this?
I want to punish myself till I feel the pains in my bone. Yeah.
By the way, did you use the hot pepper I said you should use to massage your manhood? The gods have not started dealing with you and you're like this. Disgrace.
I am the most stupid man on earth. If this happens, I'll tie a rope on my neck and I'll hang myself and I'll kill myself. I'm going to kill myself. What is this? I am so stupid. I am so stupid. I am so stupid. What is this? I feel like I can't get myself. I feel like
Odinka.
Please, stay away from me. Please, please, please stay away from me. Please, please. This is where you left me. No wife, no money.
Odinka, can I at least have a seat?
I don't want to see you again. Just leave here before your husband comes here and sees you.
I have come to apologize. For all that I've caused you. I punished you for what my husband did to me. Please accept my apology. I am sorry.
Your apology will not bring back my wife. Besides, you don't need to apologize. I was just enticed with the zeal of becoming the king.
Odinka, any man could have fallen for that. I will send one of my guards with your bags of beads tomorrow.
My wife is getting married with my best friend on Ekede.
Who is your best friend?
His name is Mweze. I owe him some money.
And your wife's name?
Ure. Urema.
Ure. Urema. I know what to do. You must be Mweze.
To what do I owe this royal visit?
How much does Odinka owe you?
I do not want the money again.
Because you want his wife in place of the money.
No, I'm an honorable man.
You are not.
Believe me, I am.
Then why would you want his wife?
We are doing this for him to learn his lessons.
Very well then. I believe he has learned his lesson. I will send my guard tomorrow with the money he borrowed from you.
Princess, let me have wine. Can I get you something to drink?
Not to worry. Maybe next time.
Okay.
Greetings, beautiful ladies.
Greetings. It seems you're looking for someone.
Yes, I am looking for Ure, the wife of Odinka.
And who wants to see her?
You are the one. I want us to talk. I am the queen of Ami.
But I do not have any relative in Ani.
I know. You might find out one.
If you say so, why don't we go to my hut, then we can talk about it.
Yes.
Mina, you can come with us.
Yes, I'll come with you.
I want to speak with you, alone.
It's okay. I'll come and see you later.
It's alright.
Alright. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Ure, you're a good woman. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You see, I have come to ask for your forgiveness.
My forgiveness? But I don't even know you. So, you haven't done anything to me.
Yes, I have. Ure, I have offended you. I was bitter in my heart when I met your husband.
My husband? I don't understand you.
It all started when I had a blind child. My sister-in-law lied to my husband that the child wasn't his. I was subjected to embarrassment.
Brother, I have brought her.
You have brought who?
Ulimma, my friend. She's the last daughter of Omenka, the richest man in Anupa.
Good. I have found a wife. Woman here will make me happy all the days of my life.
This commoner, this poor girl with ill luck, she's full of omen. Have you not heard? Have you not heard her mother died at childbirth?
Thank you very much. But she's the one I want to marry.
Obidum, you are a king. And as such, you should marry a woman of our class. And only here is one, not the stain you have here.
I would take it as an insult if you don't shut that your mouth and think that you don't have the right to choose a wife for me. Now carry your friend and leave my sight.
Holy! Holy!
Get out!
Holy!
I am scared. I do not belong here.
No one tells you where you belong. You are my wife. Come with me. Let me introduce you to my elders. Here is Smile.
What is it? What do you want from me?
So you think you can use charms on my brother?
Charms? I did not use any charm on my husband. I have never touched a charm.
Liar! That's what you are. Liar! But I will show you. I will show you that I, Honor, have my ways with charms. I will make this palace hot for you. Just wait and see.
Charms? What is she talking about?
You thought you could hide your infidelity life from the gods. It's your promiscuous life that made you bear a blind child.
Honor, stop it!
I can swear to it. I saw her with a man from Anupa. No! Tell him the truth. Let her tell you the truth.
Honor! Honor! My husband, you do not believe her, do you?
Do not leave this place until I find out the truth.
My husband... Obidum, for the love and respect I have given you all these years. The gods will not turn their faces away from me. Today, I drop my conscience. I drop love. I drop mercy. And I drop the good woman I have been. I will cause pains and sorrows to any man I set my eyes on. I will make him bleed. Winnie, you're a beautiful woman. Smile, for the gods are with you. This is the new me. I will deal with any man I come across. I will make him useless. I will break his home. And when I'm done, I will rest. That is my mission.
How are you? I was just going to the farm, so I decided to come across to you.
Odinka! Odinka! Take a good look at me. Am I not too beautiful to be fed with only morning greetings? Have I not told you that where I come from we dislike weaklings? We admire and love men who can stand tall and take care of their women.
I am tall and I'm strong. I'm a real man.
If you're a real man, then take good care of me. If you're a real man, make me the only woman in your life. That is what real men do.
Malicha, I am working on it.
That is what he keeps saying all the time. He is working on it. Do you want me to open my arms for another man?
No.
I am a princess. I deserve extravagant love. I deserve to be treated like a princess.
Malicha, just give me a little time. Just little, one tea. Oh, one tea.
Please go home.
Okay.
I do not want someone spoiling my day. And do not come back to my hut if you fail to do what I have asked you to do. Weakling. That was how it all started. Ure, please. I want you to forgive me and forgive your husband too. Please. So it was you. It was you who did this to me. You tore my home apart. You made my husband brainless. You! Ure, you have to calm down. I am ready to make amends. I am ready to do everything to make amends. You vented the anger of your husband on an innocent man. Now, we are now the object of ridicule in this land, all because of you. Now, get out. This moment. Ure, you have to calm down. You have to. If you don't get out of this place, I will put the respect of royalty aside and put you out. Out! I said out! Leave! Evil woman! Leave! I want you to help me talk to Ure.
Can you tell me what is going on?
My name is Uwene, the Queen of Amiyi. Odinka sent Ure away because of me.
Come with me.
Thank you. You? What are you doing here? Have I not asked you to leave?
Ure, you have to calm down. It's all coming to an end. Your Majesty, please sit down.
Sit what? What are you saying?
Ure, please calm down. It's not everyone in her class that would come down this low just to ask for your forgiveness. You need to forgive her. Please.
Who do we have here? Who do we have here? Hey! Hey! Do you still remember me? It's me! I am trying to recall where we've met. Your Majesty, I was that woman you helped 2 years ago at Amiyi. When some thieves snatched away my basket. When I was coming from Oria Market. Your Majesty, you took me home and treated me well. In fact, you gave me some money to come home with. Welcome to my home. Welcome. It's me. I remember you. It's me. This is my house. Indeed, the gods have started fixing the broken calabash. The broken calabash? Anyway, what brings you to my house? She's the one. She's the evil woman that has been occupying my Odinka. She asked my husband to send me away. She did. Ure, how is that possible? Mother, she's standing right in front of you. Ask her that question. Nay, please. Evil. Sit. I will tell you the whole story.
You have to go now and talk to Ray.
To tell her what? Eh? To forgive me. She says she has forgiven me, but she's not in love with you.
Go now and talk to her.
The reason I have come to ask for her forgiveness.
Your Majesty, you have done well to have come at this time. Ure, my daughter. Nem, please forgive her.
Please, forgive her. Please.
I don't have a choice. I have forgiven you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. It's all right. It's all right.
Thank you. Welcome. Mother, I will have to go now. It's getting late already.
All right. Send my regards to your husband. Oh,
I will do just that.
And take care of yourself.
I will, Mother.
Thank you.
Take care.
Please forgive me. If you don't forgive me, I'll kill myself. Or if you my way. Please.
You don't need to ask for forgiveness. You're already forgiven. Ubone was here and she told us everything.
Hey. Hi. Hey.
Wednesday, I can't thank you enough. Thank you for everything you did for me. Thank you for standing by me. Thank you.
Trying to marry you, man.
For everything. Everything.
Well, you see, if we did not do it that way, my friend here wouldn't have learned his lessons. How far you?
You.
And to you, Ini, I can't thank you enough. You're the best friend I have ever had. May the gods bless you.
You don't have to thank me. You're my friend. And I love you so much.
I love you too, Ini. Thank you.
I want you to be happy.
I am.
Thank you very much. But always mind your business.
And please take care of her.
I will.
Please, don't we think this calls for celebration?
Of course it does.
Let's go to my house. I have Siu, Nkubi, Oma.
Let's go. Come on. Yeah? Hey. I'm so happy. Yeah? Okay. Hey. Yeah. I'm so happy. How are you, my beautiful wife?
I'm fine, my husband. Must you do this every day?
I will do it for 7 months.
And by then, you would have seen the signs.
Which signs?
That we are going to have a child.
You're not telling me the truth.
I am pregnant.
Ah.
May the gods be praised.
So happy. Thank you.
Thanks to the gods.
So, why are we here?
I want us to talk.
Talk about what?
I know I've not shown you any sign, but deep inside me, I want you. Please. Will you allow me to take wine to your father? Please.
I'm scared of men.
No, please. No.
I have told you my mind.
Is this what I'm thinking? Should I tell Wednesday what you once told me? In as much as you're scared of men, that he is the only man that you have ever admired.
You're talking too much.
I'm sorry, my dear friend, husband of mine. Please, let us go before I even say more.
My good friend, you're making a good choice. Jackie.
Winnie, I will bring wine to your father on Uncle Day.
What's it? I will certainly pay back the money I borrowed from you by next month.
Odinka, my friend, I have forgotten about the money I borrowed to you. What happened to you was a big lesson to all of us.
I thank you.
Meanwhile, I will be taking wine to Winnie's father on Uncle Day.
This is good news. Very good one. And I want to tell you that Ure is pregnant.
Yes. Odinka! Good news will never depart from us.
You say...
You don't miss your water till your well runs dry. You don't know what you have till it's gone.
Onye neighbor. Who is here?
Greetings, Your Highness. Hi, how are you?
Where is your husband?
He went to see his friend Weze, but he will soon be back. But before then, please, be seated. You're welcome once again.
Your Highness, what a pleasant surprise. You're welcome. You're welcome, Your Highness.
Your Highness.
Please, let me get you collar, please.
No, come back. Leave the collar for this time. We have come with these beads.
Hey. Thank you very much.
For us.
Thank you very much.
May the gods replenish you.
Yes.
And I also want to invite you and your best friend for my Ofala festival next month.
Your Highness, we'll be there. I'm also inviting you to my marriage ceremony.
Oh, beautiful. I'll be there. We will be there. And we are friends now. And that starts from today.
Uri, is it what I'm thinking?
Come with me.
Please, let me get you palm wine.
Palm wine?
Yes. Your Highness.
It's okay.
Your Highness. Take it.
It's okay. Hi, I'm coming.
Your Highness, please try and be there.
Of course, we'll be there. We are friends from today.
Your Highness, this is palm wine. Very fresh. I'm coming. Come sachata.
Asampeteni Omalecha.